Let's face it, guys. When you wear a suit, you get treated differently. That's it and that's all. There's no other way around it. It's not about whether you like it or don't like it. I know, especially as an image consultant, I know we can work with your own style, with the things that you like, with the audience and the people that you move with, your circle. It's different. But there's no denying that when you look sharp, there are certain outfits that subliminally, they all communicate power. They all communicate style. They all demand authority and attention. Every time you wear a beautiful suit, a tailored suit, something that makes you feel amazing, and immediately your body posture changes, you get treated differently. At a restaurant, at a grocery store, at the club, at the bar, wherever you go, people treat you with more respect. Try it on yourself. Do this social experiment. Go to the same place wearing an absolutely good suit that fits your proportions and makes you look good, that is according to your skin tonality. See how they treat you. See how they react around you, the people that are looking at you. See how they treat you. And then go wearing something random, like just some Crocs, a random t-shirt, some pants, and notice the difference. Come on, get a suit, goddammit.